Hi guys, in this video pag-uusapan natin itong bagong update ng Bybit. So meron silang inintroduce dito sa update nila, which is the listing billboard. And yung gamit ng listing billboard na to, magiging transparent sila sa mga projects. Dito sa update na to, kayo yung mauuna na makakakita ng mga bagong palabas na token. So yun yung advantage kapag updated kayo dito sa bagong announcement nila. Kaya ipapakita ko sa inyo guys. Let's go! So andito na tayo sa announcement ng Bybit, and sabi dito guys, kung makikita nyo dyan, be the first to access Bybit new listings, airdrops, and competitions. Claim $50 bonus when you deposit $100 and trade $10 today. So magkakaroon daw kayo ng $50 na bonus. And yan, tignan na natin yung bagong listing billboard announcement nila. So yung pangalan. Sabi dito, we are excited to announce the SoSo is the first project to publicly disclose data on the Bybit platform. So malaking advantage yan guys, di-disclose nila sa atin para lang sa mga Bybit users. So below are the key data points disclosed. Tignan natin, zoom in natin. And as you can see, makikita natin dito yung descriptive performance indicators. And number 1 is core financial metrics. Makikita natin dyan yung protocol revenue, treasury income, token sales, marketing and community, operational expenses, grant and ecosystem incentives. Tapos yung foundation treasury management nila. Andito din yung metrics, treasury holdings, liquidity reserves, at syempre andito din yung token metrics. Yan, papakita nila yung token supply. For example, circulating supply. Mas maganda kasi kapag mas mababa pa yung market cap, kasi once na tumaas yung market cap, malaki-laki yung return natin dyan. And yan, papakita din dito yung max supply, inflation rate, staking participation rate, yung token emission and burn. So very transparent talaga dito. Makikita nyo dyan yung metrics nila, yung circulating rate, burn rate, team emission, investor emission, community emission, treasury emission. Tapos ito yung next na major token na i-unlock nila. Pati on-chain activity and network health, makikita nyo dyan. Yung network usage, yung security, governance and community, governance updates, community growth. So pwede agad tayong mag-join sa mga social medias nila like Telegram, Discord, Twitter, pati developer activity, referral and social engagement. At ito yung mahalaga guys, pati risk disclosure and future roadmap ipapakita nila. Papakita nila yung metric. So yan, regulatory risk, market risk, and yung roadmap, kung ano yung key milestone achieved, kung ano yung product matrix, yung product stage, market expansion and sustainability, at yung growth forecast. Papakita nila lahat. So very transparent talaga sila dito. And sabi dito, through this disclosure you can gain a clear understanding of SoSo's development status. This data provides important decision-making support, helping you feel more confident and informed about your investments. Bybit will continue to promote transparency in project data, further enhancing industry trust and compliances. So yan, trade now. Yung link ng Bybit natin nasa description box. Gamitin nyo yan guys, maswerte yung link na yan. So balian lang naman yung update nila na gusto kong ipakita sa inyo para dun sa mga gustong mag-take advantage nitong mga projects bago pa sila malist. So bali yun lang guys. Pag bago pa lang kayo sa channel, huwag nyo kalimutan na i-click yung subscribe button, click nyo na din yung notification bell, set nyo yan sa all para every time na meron tayong content na ganito manonotify kayo. Yun lang guys, maraming salamat, bye bye.
Disclaimer, this content is for education and entertainment purposes only. Galaran TV does not provide investment advice. The information is being presented without consideration of the investment objectives, risk tolerance, or financial circumstances of any specific investor and might not be suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results. All investing involves risk, including the possible loss of principal. Some videos have benefactors. Always do your own research. Never invest more than you are willing to lose.